In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a journal entry from your accounting software efficiently and accurately. This process is crucial if you've made an error in a prior entry or need to correct your financial data. Follow along and we'll walk through each step to ensure you get it right. Let's begin by navigating to the chart of accounts. The chart of accounts serves as your financial backbone where all your transactions are recorded. Think of it as the overarching framework that categorizes and tracks every financial entry and exit. To get there, locate the Accounting tab in your software. Once clicked, you'll find the option for Chart of Accounts. Choose this to move forward. Now that you're in the Chart of Accounts, your next goal is to locate the specific journal entry you want to delete. There are two primary methods to do this, the register or the reports. If you're using the register, it's often laid out like a traditional ledger. Skim through the entries, paying attention to the dates or descriptions that align with the journal entry you're targeting. On the other hand, if you prefer using reports, you might find it helpful to run a comprehensive report that outlines all your journal entries. This could be sorted by date or perhaps by type, depending on what your software offers. This step is crucial. Ensure that you've identified the correct entry, as deleting the wrong one can lead to discrepancies in your financial records. Once you've pinpointed the journal entry you wish to remove, the next step is to open it. Simply click on the entry to bring up its detailed view. Here, you'll see all the specifics, such as the account it was posted to, the amounts, and perhaps any notes that were added at the time of entry. This view is your last chance to double check the accuracy of this decision. Confirm once again that it's the correct entry before proceeding. With the entry open and verified, look for the delete option. This button is your gateway to removing the entry from your books. On most platforms, you might find it at the top or bottom of the entry detail page, often accompanied by other options like edit or duplicate. Click delete to proceed. A prompt may appear asking you to confirm your decision. This additional step is there to prevent accidental deletions, so take a moment to be absolutely certain that this is the right move. Once you confirm, the journal entry will be removed from your records, and there you have it, a simple, straightforward process to delete a journal entry from your accounting software. Remember, while it's wonderful to have the flexibility to make these corrections, try to ensure entries are accurate when initially recorded to minimize the need for deletions. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting!